So we have all the studio lights off right now. We currently have the RGB set to rainbow. Check it out. Everything looks great. Hey everyone, Digital David here. Today I'm going to be checking out the Corsair Vengeance RGB RT High Performance RAM. I did receive this product to review, but any opinion expressed in this video is strictly my own. That being said, if you're interested in this product, you want to find out more about it, the link to it will be in the video description. You can see the nice retail packaging right here. Check it out. Everything looks great. So this is 32 gigabytes of DDR4 RAM featuring 2 sticks of 16 gigabytes each. And this RAM is optimized for AMD. Now let's go ahead, let's open it up and look at the contents. Here are all the contents. First up, you can see we have our product literature. So we have some safety information followed by our user guide and manual. This is in multiple languages, walking us through everything we need to know about installation and how to download the Corsair iCUE software, complete with QR codes. Backside, same info again in more languages. And last but not least, you can see we have the RAM itself right here. Check it out. We got the Vengeance logo and branding. That looks so good. This cover is really nice on it. I really like how this RAM looks. And the texture we have. Here's all of our RGB up at the top, and you can see we have the Corsair logo right there. Here it is from the back side. And you can see the nice side profile right here. Here it is from the bottom. You can see all of our pins. Really good looking RAM. Now let's go ahead, let's get it installed. All right, so you can see our test bench right here. Under our cooler, we have an AMD 5600X, which is a great CPU to pair with this RAM. So you can see our 2 slots right there where we're gonna get it installed. So just gently line everything up like you see right here, and then just press in place. So we have a nice little click, and we're gonna do that again with our second stick. Line everything up, and then just gently press in place. There we go. We have just successfully installed our RAM. Now let's go ahead and boot it up. All right, so check it out. We got our PC booted up and we're looking at the RAM memory settings right now just from Task Manager. So 32 gigabytes has been installed. You can see what's currently in use. And you can see we are getting our speed of 3200 megahertz. Now let's go ahead, let's look at some of the RGB lighting options that we have. So we have all the studio lights off right now. We currently have the RGB set to rainbow. Check it out, everything looks great. We're using Mystic Light to control everything. So it's controlling our cooler RGB with our fan, and it's controlling our RAM right here. Keep in mind, you can use Mystic Light like we're doing since we have an MSI board, or again, we can use the iCUE software directly from Corsair. If you want the best experience, chances are you're gonna have to use Corsair software, but as you can see right here, we're still able to control everything via our motherboard's RGB software. In this case, like we said, Mystic Light for MSI. So that's rainbow. Let me show you just a couple quick settings from within our Mystic Light. So now we're doing a marquee one. So we just applied that. So you can see how that looks. And keep in mind with this transition, I feel like there's a slight delay you can see between the RAM and our cooler. So that's something we got to work with here in our particular case with our test bench. Now let's do our breathing style. So you can see it's transitioning right there to our pulse. That one synced up pretty good. Not too bad. Obviously, we could change the color if we want. Now let's try our flashing option. All right, so it just reset here. So here's our flashing. Again, that one's pretty accurate as well, which is good. And then do we want to do, what's color shift? Let's try color shift right here, and we'll apply that for everything. Ooh, that's nice. Check that out. That one's doing great. Really nice, very responsive. Everything's working great with the software as you would expect and as advertised. So now let me share with you my final thoughts. We're getting our 3200 megahertz speed. So that's great if you want to game on this, stream on this, or use this for content creation, filming, editing, anything along those lines. Aesthetically too, this RAM is really nice. Chances are that's probably the reason why you're looking at this RAM, is because you wanted 32 gigs of RAM with some beautiful RGB. If that's the case, you definitely should consider this Corsair RAM. Well, that concludes our video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget the product link will be in our video description below. Please go ahead, check it out, and do your shopping from there. Any purchase made through that link helps support our channel at no additional cost to you. So we're really grateful and thankful for all of your support. While you're at it, can you go ahead and hit that like button for us? And subscribe to our channel. We have new content coming out daily, and we don't want you to miss anything. Please go ahead and give us a follow online and make it a clean sweep. Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Twitch, TikTok, Discord. You can message us on WeChat, check out our website, and join our free newsletter. Thank you guys so much for being here. Don't forget, new content daily, and we can't wait to see you in our next video.